Hey, to turn on portable hotspot and share your internet on the Android 15 smartphone, first of all, you will have to go into the settings. Next, you will have to open a network and internet, and you have to just search for hotspot and tethering. Next, you can turn on the hotspot by clicking on this icon. And now just wait for it. As you can see, now it is activated. But when you click right here, you can also find some settings. For example, you can change the name of your hotspot. You can also find the password. You can also turn on and off the the hotspot automatically when there's like no devices connected. And you can also get the instant hotspot, but currently this function is not available on the Android 15. So we can get also for the speed and compatibility. So we got 2.4 and 5, but there's also the 6, but it's actually not available in my country and the region. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.